Guys, it's Wakanda's girl, and in today's video I have two things I'm doing. I'm arranging the flower vase in our dining, and also I'll be putting the utensils into the washing machine. So guys, just help me to subscribe please, and also to watch my videos, and always to share them and to like. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell, so whenever I post a new video you'll be able to see that. So guys, come with me to my video. So in today's video, because I told you we are going to put the utensils into the washing machine, there are those ingredients that you're supposed to use. So for that I use this one. This is a rinse aid. You put it there in the machine. I will show you guys, and it's so good, and because it's helping your glasses not to be like they are fading away or something different. It just help your glasses to shine and to look good. Not only glasses, the plates, because what you're putting there, it's not something that's so simple. So this one helps it to maintain the quality of that dish and all that. That's why it's a rinse aid, guys. And also it removes spotting. As you see, it's spotty glasses, they are done with this rinse aid. So another one is this one. So this is the soap you're going to use. Okay, it's the same. As you can see, guys, this is finish and this also is finish. They work the same, they join each other, they go hand in hand, so that they give you the best results. So it looks like this. You only just need this for one wash in your machine. Of course, you put a lot of dishes, but this one will work it out all the best. So guys, this is that soap. As you can see, you will see it live when I'm putting the utensils into the machine. Then another one is this one. This one, it's a dishwasher. It's just you put in when you're doing a deep clean in your machine, you use this. Also, it's called finish. So guys, if you're there at home and using dishwasher machine, the products to use are this one. They are finish, and also use the finish. So if you don't have those finish things, just know that you're messing up with your machine, because these ones, they work best.